Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming a current backup, because commands can modify partitions or data. Don't skip that. Once done, open an elevated command prompt. Type CMD, right-click, run as administrator. Next, identify the SSD. Use WMIC disk drive get model, serial, size to confirm device, then run PowerCog/battery report or third-party smart tools to verify health. These steps establish the device path and risk level, so you know whether simple repairs are safe versus needing a full clone or replacement. Now run diskpart to isolate the SSD. List disk, select disk N, list partition. This prevents modifying the wrong disk. Once selected, exit diskpart and run chkdsk/f/r to repair file system inconsistencies and attempt sector recovery. This can take time, so be patient. If Windows boots but behaves oddly, run sfc/scanno to restore protected files, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the component store. These tools address software corruption that mimics hardware failure. To finish, if the partition table is beyond repair, use diskpart carefully. Select disk N, clean, create partition primary, format fs equals ntfs quick, assign a letter. This rebuilds structure but erases data. After that, update SSD firmware and ensure OSI mode is enabled in BIOS to prevent further issues. If Smart reports failing attributes, make a sector-level clone immediately and contact the manufacturer for RMA. One key troubleshooting tip. If commands fail repeatedly, stop and clone. Ongoing writes can worsen a dying SSD.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.